Okay. Hey. Hey, it's Amanda, and I want to show you how to prepare a turkey breast for a small, intimate Thanksgiving dinner because it's easy AF. Our turkey breast has been roasted. I just seasoned it with salt and pepper. I put some thyme and garlic and lemon inside the cavity, and it's totally rested. I'm going to show you how to slice it. So many of you have been asking about how to carve a turkey. Since we just have a single turkey breast on the bone here, pretend that the legs have already come off, and I'm showing you how to cut the turkey breast. Probably the most important part anyway. My main tip to you is to remove the breast first. Don't try to cut it on the bone, especially if you have a whole turkey, because you're going to be struggling a little bit. So if you go to my chicken carving video, you'll notice that this is the same exact procedure. What you're going to do is cut against the bone, and you'll even see it's showing you where to cut. Okay, we're going to cut into here, and we're going to remove this already cooked turkey breast from the bone and get it onto our cutting board. That's the key. You're going to basically give yourself some stability by having this turkey on the board and then slicing it. And your slices are going to be beautiful. So the same idea as when you're cutting a bird that's raw. When you're carving a turkey, you want to do the same thing after it's cooked. You're just removing the breast from the bone. This is nice and rested too, so it's not too hot to handle, and it's just going to come right off. See how easy that is? Okay, and of course you're just going to repeat the same with the other side. Look, my lemon, my garlic, my herbs are coming out, and really this is it. So I'm going to start by making my slices, and I like to go with thinner slices so that everybody gets a nice thin slice. It usually feels much more tender that way, and that's it. You just slice until your whole breast is ready, juicy, but it's rested so I'm not losing a lot of the juices. Make sure you have a knife that you like. If you feel better with a serrated knife, use a serrated knife. Again, use what you're most comfortable with. Okay. And I'm thinking about presentation too. I want this to be really, really pretty. Obviously, when you have that beautiful Thanksgiving table, you want to present a gorgeous sliced turkey. And I love the fact that you can do this for a small party. Maybe it's just 2 of you, maybe it's 4 of you. Just do the turkey breast. You don't need to deal with the whole turkey. And then maybe you can do some other fun proteins. So grab that, get that on your platter. You can fan it out. The people who like the skin will grab the skin. And then this will just be garnished with some herbs. I even take the herbs that it's been cooked with because that honestly makes the most sense. Put it on that platter, garnish it, and then tune in for my gravy tutorial because you're going to learn how to douse this with some delicious turkey gravy because it's easy AF.